A beautiful view with the Earth below. The International Space Station is approaching the coast of Hawaii.
There's 5 magnets on my side are faded.
Copy, Steve. We see that in your HECA as well. Thank you.
That's a firm flight.
NASA astronaut Steve Bowen confirming that he sees those magnets have properly engaged, with another confirmation from the flight control team here in Houston. He is going to remain in that position to keep a good visual on the solar array as it rolls out. About 2 years from the first IROSA unrolling is the sixth IROSA unrolling. Again, that first IROSA or International Space Station rollout solar array was installed on June 16th of 2021.
Go.
Jenny, there's some white rectangles that pop out in the center of IROSA as it's rolling out, and it looks like maybe the fifth one up, the right-hand side one, did not fully pop over. Should be able to see it in my HECA.
Copy, Woody. We are getting
right up the middle of IROSA.
We are getting eyes on that. We appreciate the report. Would you be able to get a picture on your camera as well?
Of course.
Thank you. Woody and Steve, we're about halfway through deploy. We'll let you know when we can get moving again after deploy is complete.